Adhere the EPDM membrane to the support at least 20 cm and all around the tube. Use the preferred support adhesion system. Here in this video, the Bond 007 sealant adhesive is being used. Place the prefabricated EPDM pipe boot over the tube. Cut off all around the pipe boot to the adequate size. Lower the pipe boot to its final position. Mark onto the EPDM membrane the pipe boot flange. Carefully cut across the pipe boot protection paper. Thoroughly stir the Rollgum Primer before use. Spread the primer with a flat brush extending beyond the marks. Press with your finger to make sure the primer is ready. Remove the protection paper. Insert the pipe boot for final adhesion. Press with the system roller over the entire flange area. Adjust and tighten up the included stainless steel clamp. Apply a bead of Bond 007 all around the edge. Gently smooth the bead by using a piece of EPDM or a spatula. Finish by applying Bond 007 all around the pipe boot base perimeter.